नमस्ते मित्रांनो. तर ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आज आपण सेकंड टाइपचे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व्ह करूया जे क्वेश्चन बँक मध्ये आपण दिले. व्हेरी शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स. Each question carry 1 mark. Our first question is write the expression to calculate the maximum work done when one mole of an ideal gas expands isothermally and reversibly from V1 to V2. एक मार्कासाठी प्रश्न विचारला गेला. राईट द एक्सप्रेशन टू कॅल्क्युलेट द मॅक्झिमम वर्क डन. We know that the maximum work done is given by an equation. W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log of V2 upon V1. But here we have to calculate the work done for 1 mole of an ideal gas, and hence N, a number of mole is equal to 1, and equation becomes a W max is equal to minus 2.303 RT log V2 upon V1. This equation gives the work done, maximum work done for 1 mole of ideal gas which expands from volume V1 to V2. Here V2 is equal to final volume and V1 is equal to our initial volume. Okay. A second question. Write the mathematical relation between delta H and delta U during the formation of 1 mole of carbon dioxide under a standard condition. We have to write the mathematical equation which gives a relationship between enthalpy change and internal energy change for formation of CO2, carbon dioxide gas. So first of all, write the required chemical equation for formation of carbon dioxide. Here carbon solid plus O2 gas gives CO2 gas. A delta N, that is change in number of moles of gaseous products minus moles of the gaseous reactant. Here delta N is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. That is delta Ng is equal to 0. Now, the enthalpy change for a gaseous reaction is given by an equation. Delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Ng RT. Here delta Ng is equal to 0 and equation becomes delta H is equal to delta U. This equation gives a mathematical relation between delta H and delta U where change in number of mole is equal to 0. Okay. Next question. A third very short answer question. The standard enthalpy of formation of water is minus 286 kilojoules per mole. The standard enthalpy of formation of water is minus 286 kilojoules per mole. Calculate the enthalpy change for formation of 0.018 kilogram of water for 1 mole. That is 18 gram of water. A standard enthalpy is equal to minus 286 kilojoules per mole. 18 gram is equal to 18 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is equal to 0.018 kilogram of water is given, which is equal to minus 286 kilojoules per mole. Then mass of water, molecular weight 18 gram, number of moles, mass divided by molar mass, that is 18 divided by 18 is equal to 1. A thermochemical equation for formation of water, hydrogen gas plus 1/2 O2 gas gives H2O liquid. A delta formation तुम्हाला दिलेली आहे minus 286 kilojoules, and hence the standard enthalpy for formation of water is minus 286 kilojoules per mole. Here the given value is for 1 mole and the weight is given which is equal to 18 gram. Okay. A fourth question. Write the expression of first law of thermodynamics for an isothermal process. If our first law of thermodynamics, its mathematical equation is a change in internal energy delta U is equal to heat supplied plus work done. That is delta U is equal to a Q plus W. Okay. Then for isothermal process means the process which is carried out at a constant temperature. That is for isothermal process, T1 is equal to T2, delta T is equal to 0. As temperature of system remain constant, its internal energy also remain constant. And for hence, for isothermal process, a delta U, that is internal energy change, is equal to 0. If we put these values in above equation, 0 is equal to Q plus W or W is equal to minus Q. That is this is the equation of first law of thermodynamics for an isothermal process. Then a fifth number question. What is the sign convention when work is done on the system by the surrounding? What is the sign convention when work is done on the system by the surrounding? When the work is done on the system by the surrounding, the work has always a positive sign. We know that when work is done by the system, it has a negative sign, and when work is done on the system by the surrounding, the work always has a positive sign. Okay, hence the correct answer is work has a positive sign. The question number 6. Write the expression showing a relation between enthalpy change and internal energy change for the gaseous phase reaction. Again, same question. The enthalpy change for any gaseous chemical reaction is given by an equation. The enthalpy change delta H is equal to internal energy change delta U plus change in number of moles into gas constant multiplied by temperature. That is delta H is equal to delta U plus delta N RT. This equation gives the relation between enthalpy change and internal energy change for a gas phase reaction. Remember, each question carries only 1 mark, and these are the very short answer type question. Hence, here the answer must contain an equation and the terms involved in it. Then question number 7. Calculate the enthalpy of formation of HCl. Calculate the enthalpy of formation of HCl if bond enthalpies of hydrogen, chlorine and hydrogen chloride are 434 kilojoules per mole. This is the bond enthalpy for hydrogen. Then for chlorine, 242 kilojoules per mole. And for hydrogen chloride, a bond enthalpy is 431 kilojoules per mole. Calculate the enthalpy of formation. Now, first of all, construct the required equation for formation of hydrogen chloride. The product is HCl, hydrogen chloride. Hence, this reaction involves a reactants hydrogen and chlorine, that is 1/2 hydrogen gas plus 1/2 Cl2 gas gives HCl. Okay. Then by using the formula delta RH0, that is enthalpy of reaction, is equal to a summation of enthalpies or bond enthalpies of reactant minus a summation of bond enthalpies of a product. This chapter involves only one such equation where reactant minus product, that's initial state minus a final state. After putting these values, as 1/2 moles, that is 1/2 into bond enthalpy of hydrogen 430 pounds plus another reactant 1/2 into bond enthalpy of chlorine 242 minus bond enthalpy of SCl, which is 430. After solving, after doing the calculation, the value for the enthalpy of reaction is equal to minus 93 kilojoules per mole. Okay. Our board question bank contained only 7 questions of very short answer. Along with, you can prepare more such kind of questions. But first of all, prepare these questions very carefully regarding with our board examination. Okay.